Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay money transfer. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, just like what you see right here. Bro, good morning. Please, what is your current rate? And I gave a response as far as my current rate is concerned. You can see their proof of payment and their Alipay payment code. And as a result of this, I decided to make a video about it and show you on how we can actually send money in Alipay using Alipay payment code without any stress. So let's get started. Very first thing we want to do, I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here. Then go ahead and then simply open up my Alipay right here. Having opened up my Alipay, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and upload the QR code payment for the transfer. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDFish or JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay topic like that. Being said, let's get started. The next thing I'm going to do right here in Alipay is to go ahead and click on scan right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on album right. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and select the QR code. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to enter the amount to be transferred right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on pay. Then enter my payment password to complete the transfer. Payment done, successful. Lastly, I will go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Having taken a screenshot, I'm going to go ahead and come back to my WhatsApp right here. Then send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to transfer the money to them. So go ahead and click on attach my gallery. Then select proof of payment and say transfer done and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, either on Alipay or WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay your supplier on Alipay or WeChat, or you want me to fund, or you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, IDFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.